Hi friends, I am Mathiazhagan, Assistant Professor, DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Applications. Today we have a discussion about the designs and the prototyping in the Sketch app for using the human interface guidelines. So this topic today we have a clear explanations and it is the very useful for this session. The human interface guidelines. First one is the purpose, second one is the core principles, third one is the layout and the navigations. So first one is the purpose. It is the Apple official designs guidelines for creating a consistent user-friendly apps across iOS, macOS, watchOS and tvOS. So this type of we have used for the purpose. Second one is the ensure, intuitive, accessible and visual applying the experience. So this is a two type. Second one is the core principles. So clarity. So UI should be easy to read and understand. Difference. Design should be priorities content and avoid unnecessary clutter. So third one is the deep user layers, motions and hierarchy to create a sense of deep. So third one is the layout and navigations. So user standard UI components. For example, tab bars, navigations bar for consistency. So fourth one is the typography and readability. Use and Fabrenco as the default systems font for Apple platform. Maintain the clear hierarchy with the proper font size and weights. So ensure the scalability and legibility for the all screen size. So all screen size supported for the typography of and readability of the human interface of guideline. So fifth one is the colors and aesthetics. So use a consistent minimal color palette that enhances the readability and support dark mode by the adapting colors dynamically. Ensure the high contrast for the accessibility. This is the 5 steps we have used for the human interface guidelines. It is the very useful and then it is the very consistent minimal colors palette that enhance readability, support dark mode and adapting the colors dynamically. It is the high contrast for the accessibility. So sixth one is the controls and integrations. It's the use of native controls, for example, buttons, switches, sliders for the familiarity. So this is the native control of the controls and the integrations. So prioritize touch friendly tap targets. So support gestures, haptics and animation for smooth integrations. It is the controls and integrations. Seventh one is the icons and imagery. So use Apple SF simple for the scale, consistent icons. So second one is the designs icons. Designs icons with the simple, recognizable shapes. Use high resolution images that adapt to different screen density. So eighth one is the accessibility and inclusive. So support dynamic types for the font scaling. So ensure voice over the compatibility for the screen readers. So provide a colorblind friendly contrast and alternative text. 8 accessibility and inclusivity. Ninth one is the motions and feedback. So use subtle animations to guide user attendance. So implement haptic feedback for the more immersive experience. So third one is the ensure animations are smooth and non-distractive. This type of we have used for the the human interface guideline. 10th one is the platform specific considerations. So iOS, touch first designs gestures, fluid animations. macOS, desktop focus and support cursor interactions. watchOS, minimalized UI guidance informations. tvOS, focus based on navigations on large touch target.